Hey guys, I'm Kevin Gonzalez, and you won't believe what happened on the freeway yesterday. I'm about to show you the craziest towing story ever, and it's all in Claymation. Get ready for some Claymazing adventures and stick around to see why our towing service is the absolute best. Let's go! So picture this. You're cruising down the freeway, jamming to your favorite tunes, when suddenly, BAM! Your car starts making weird noises, and you're stuck on the side of the road. That's exactly what happened to our first customer, Clay Clayton. He was freaking out, thinking his day was ruined. But then he remembered our awesome towing service. Clay whipped out his phone, called us up, and you won't believe how fast we got there. Our Clay tow truck zoomed through traffic like it was nothing. The driver, let's call him Claymation Carl, hopped out and had Clay's car hooked up in no time. It was like watching a superhero in action, but way cooler because it's all made of clay. But wait, there's more. While Clay was chillin' in the tow truck, he met another customer, Plasticine Patty. She told him about how our service saved her from a flat tire nightmare last week. Now you might be wondering, Kevin, what makes your towing service so special? Well, let me tell you. First off, we're faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Our Clay tow trucks can get to you quicker than you can say, "Help me." And our drivers? They're like, the superheroes of the freeway, ready to swoop in and save the day at a moment's notice. But that's not all, folks. We're also super affordable. I mean, who wants to spend a fortune on getting towed? Not you, and definitely not our Clay customers. We've got prices so low, you'll think you're dreaming. Plus, we're available 24/7 because car troubles don't care about your schedule. Whether it's 3 p.m. or 3 a.m., we've got your back. Alright guys, that's a wrap on our Claytastic towing adventure. Remember, when you're stuck on the freeway and need a hand or a hook, give us a call. We'll turn your freeway nightmare into an awesome Claymation dream. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Claymazing content. This is Kevin Gonzalez, signing off from the world of Claymation towing.